welcome back to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is addressing the pastor. Basically, she's saying that allegedly he had sent pictures of her car, her the place that she used to live, the place that she was trying to move to, and other things, voice notes to the other guy um, over the fence. And so she's saying that basically that how would this person receive all of those when he was the only one that she sent that information to? And she's saying that she still requires an apology, which is not happening anytime soon. And she is really, wondering how that would have happened if he wasn't, the one, because he's allegedly claiming that he's not the one who did that, and it's really getting to her in that way. So in that sense, Marcia is looking for the apology still, and she's making it very clear, that basically she has been wronged, and she didn't expect that from a pastor, from someone who, you know other people would have looked up to. And so she's still awaiting that apology. So go ahead and catch the video, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And lovelies, as you know, go and have yourselves a beautiful, wonderful day.
I'm a free spirit person and I like my own freedom. And if I leave a place of where me never like, the neighborhood and me come and me say me no want to go no family, me want to chill out for myself. You can't judge me and say you're trying to help people, you're trying to put them back where they was before. No, you can't do that because me have my money to get my place. So me never I don't like that statement that you wrote on your page. You need to correct that. Because you're making it seem like I reach out to you for help and you're judging me. Do not judge me. Do not judge me. Do not judge me. Because it seems like you're not learning. You go up on that monster page, you hold me an apology, and up until today, you refuse to say you did something wrong. Up until today, even your statement, you're making it seem like it was a the people misunderstand you. There is no misunderstanding in this situation. We were trying to I was taking up for you and trying to give you a benefit of a doubt until I see that you transfer my apartment that I showed you to the man. You transfer my vehicle to the man. You transfer my voicemail, my personal voicemail to the man. What kind of miscommunication or misinterpretation of what you did? Eh? Don't use no don't, you might have a brainy, but trust me, Marcia ain't no stupid. Me get my brain from Jesus Christ. How do you explain that? So when you're talking and you're writing a paperwork, explain how the man get my vehicle. Explain how did he get the apartment that I went to look at and show you. Explain how him get the voicemail when I'm telling you thank you for what you said God's supposed to bless me with. It's only you alone have it. And you alone me send the message to that could transfer it. So why don't you explain why when the people them say, why did you let the Marcia? Why don't you elaborate on that? Why are you elaborating about social media and this and that and whatnot? Why don't you explain to that? Oh, you not call me and tell me which is it? I'm not returning. I'm not really taking your call anyway. But you can't give a statement of that. You're pretending like you don't know. When do hacking on my phone? He make it look when do what you gonna say? The same man we are trying to hacking on my Facebook account and he hacking me and get the video. If I know then. That's what you trying to say? No. Me I tell you, say, you need to take off that message because you're writing a long essay like I come. I never have to come to what, sir? Do you hear what I said? I'm gonna be respectful because when I was speaking to you, I really thought I was talking to a real pastor. I address you, pastor and bishop. And you call me woman of God. No disrespect. I give you the utmost respect. I never knew you were cooking up with that man. Wherever you want to take it. Up until now, you can't explain why you send my vehicle to the man. Why you transfer the voicemail to the man. Why you send back all the documentation that I give you to give him. So what the people are not wrong for you ask you the question? They're not wrong to ask you the question. You can't put in a statement like, you are judging me. I'm trying to help the individual to change your life. Change my life with what? Sir, me have all my sisters and brother here. The whole of them are big house. Empty rooms. You know how mad them probably is now. My sister, me call my sister, and me say, want to shame on me. Say, no, why we shame on you? You say that coming. You want to chill out. You want to chill out for the holiday. You see that coming. But you're making it seem like me don't have nobody at all. Like say me a big grown ass woman. Sir, me have 30 years of nursing. Agency call me every day. Work, me sign up with all kind of sitting and call me. Me can't work for Uber, me can't work for Amazon, me can't go in a nursing field, me can't go a nursing home, me can't renew my license. There's a place down from Hartford where you go and renew your license and turn it over. You just pay a little money and go classes for a few months. I'm in the union, the 1199 union. Them send me things every day if you pay for me if you go back and take all the classes and course. Me have a business, me strive with it said way. You're making it seem like one like a riffraff girl when they know if you angle themselves. I mean, have you ever seen, you're watching me, have you ever seen me hungry? Have you ever seen me out of place? So how are you writing them a statement there? You're gonna trying to change my life to be a better what? No, that don't go well with me. Because I never asked you for no help. You imply something to me while we were talking about bullying and harassment. Me not go into the details because I mean I don't say certain things. I mean you should be lucky at Marcia. I'll know me not let you down, you know. You let me down. And the reason why I don't dash certain things on social media, because I want it to come and speak the truth. Just like Dirty Erica, way over there done him up. You don't know him from the Adam. He's the one that need help, not me. I told you I want to come and relax. Me tell you straight up what me tell my sister them. That's what I told you. Upon the Holy Bible. Me say them too miserable. They're going to be judging me, asking me all kind of question. I mean, I want a Facebook behavior. You're going to talk too loud, Marcia. You're going to play too music. I said I want to relax for the month. After I relax for the month, I will decide where I want to go. You imply certain things where you could have do to assist me in getting certain things. Like me tell us I left out my furnitures them, you were implying that you know programs that would help me to get them back. To pay for them without me have to go in the store and buy them back. Those were the things. So you tell a little idiot man no, and the idiot man try to block you from doing so. That is if you have access to those things. Because right now I don't know if you believe. And you make him come and trick you and tell about you're collecting $12,000 for me when none of it come like say me hacks if you collect money. And the last time me hear you said you said you were the church was you asked the church for something like that panning program and the church said them said she cost too much bad word. That is what you're doing and your own free will. Now with me, all of my voicemail and text messages where you ask me, are you okay, need anything? What did they say, sir? No, I'm fine. Because from you told me that you are in association and donate to them. Donate to them. Me have you on a me have you on me have you on a radar, you know. So all this time I was talking to you, you know. I had you from a radar because my mind is saying, why would you donate to those people? But you convinced me, you said to me, say, use your love to give and your love to watch everybody and treat everybody good. You help a lot of people. But you're making it seem like weird. Tell me a text message or a voice note where I ask for help. You can't do that. Don't come put me down. No, don't do that. Yeah, because this is where you think they make it for? Where you think they make hotel for? You know how much people run from their husband and go hotel go stay? You know when I was at Chelsea apartment, I met a lovely lady. Her husband is in Beverly Hills. The two of them never get along. She rented a one bedroom up at Chelsea. She bought a lot of stuff from me. She left her kids there with the husband, and she go back and forth every other day. And she was living right, she rented a one-bedroom apartment right in Chelsea, right upstairs from me. Then me want to sit down. Because me no find the right place. Because me no want a riff-raff place. And place is so hard to find in the winter when me not interested. So what happened now? So what if I did leave and go to Jamaica and say me I got Jamaica for 3 months? You see? What would I say? Oh, things will be all right better then. Oh, Marcia gonna Jamaica for 3 months now. Oh, okay. So just because me choose not to use my money now and book myself in a hotel for the month and relax myself and detox now, me workless, me do that, me homeless. Me don't know about that. I don't know about that. But you can't write up something like that. You're giving yourself too much credit. If you're gonna do the Lord's work, do the Lord's work. I am a child of God. And it's one thing with Jesus Christ. He never let me suffer and beg for bread. That's one thing. He always make a way for me. So if you as a child of God, you're gonna do the work of as a servant. You're gonna do the work as a servant. Don't try to be higher than the Almighty God. And that is what happening with a lot of preachers nowadays. A lot of you guys are out there behaving like when you can roll thunder and lightning. And not because you use psychology and do certain things and then start speaking tongues and tell people things. It doesn't mean that you're not working with the Lord. You understand? Because Satan give gifts too. Satan give good gift too. Satan give good gifts. And that is one of the reasons why a lot of people are going to get left back. A lot of people. If God should probably rapture come right now, me rapture up before a lot of pastors and deacons out there. Because some of them are living double life. You cannot mix with the devil and walk with the Lord. You're here to be you're here to minister to the needy and the poor. You understand? You're here to listen to us. And we never speak about nothing in no incriminating more than we talk about the number one issues, bullying, and talk about that man. While you were transferring back, what did he do to you? What kind of secret him have for you? What make you take my message, my okay, I am complaining to you. We're speaking about the issue of bullying. And you're trying to resolve the issue, right? And we're there trying ways to figure out how can we stop the bullying. And this is how you repay me. By transferring back. Suppose no. So that's why I changed my position from where I was. And even though I never tell you, but me give you a description of where location was. Me never tell you which where me was. I never tell you the name. But just me said me there in a town or whatever. We did those personal informations. For it, so I am complaining about you. We're there trying to resolve the issue because you're saying, how can we resolve the issue? Let us talk and see how can we resolve the issue. That is our conversation at all time. And most of the time you pretend like I have to repeat myself over and over every time. I never like that. If I repeat myself, if me talk to you tomorrow about it, it's like, what happened? What really happened? How did this started? Me never like that. Can me have to repeat myself over and over like that. But so me now complaining to you about a man who has been harassing me. And I'm upset. You see how I behave, that you are even come on your page. You come on this program and elaborate about it, about my behavior. When you see one, tell me as God up at heaven say, cuss them out. Me no lie. That's what me tell us, I don't want to open my mouth, You said one as a pastor, tell me say, cuss them out because they behave too badly. But this is what I don't like, This is what I don't like, You come out a year one out, Say, cuss them out. Because they behave too badly. And as God couldn't have killed me to them in a lie. Those are exactly your words, You even utter them out and tell me say you have a sister or a friend love me when me cuss them out. You even say you have a friend where you will love watch me and say, listen, and the cussing me come for. And if you have association with anybody in the church or whatever, them a go to church and cuss them. So why you come and downgrading me, sir? When you implied at one point, cuss them out, Marcia, because them are being too terrible. So why I don't get the issue? Why you send? Why did you send the messages then, the personal message with just telling you thank you? I don't, what is so incriminating about that? For when you send the stuff to me and I'm like excited, like, oh my God, because me never believe you. As God up heaven, I never believe you, so you're doing it that much money to me. I never believe you. So when I visually saw that it came into the account, I was kind of like, oh my gosh, thank you so much. I am so grateful. You understand? I'm going to use this and I'm going to fix my something for my car and I'm going to use half of it. Because even speaking in the conversation before it was sent, I said to you, told me, say, use it and buy food and buy whatever. I said, no, me don't need it for buy no food. Me don't need it for buy nothing. I don't lock off nothing. Because that's what you first think about your mouth. If you use it and buy food. But if you think that me a starve, me not starve, me gain all per weight. Me name every day. If you watch me, they big food every day. None of them blogger up on social media got a restaurant like me. Me got a restaurant every day. I spend $100 per week. Over $200 me spend per food. Cause Jamaican food not there, not cheap. Plus me I got a restaurant, go sit down. You understand? And when he said it to me, and I did exactly what he told me to do with the money. And when you send the money to me, me was overwhelmed because I never believe it. I never believe it. Who want to believe a story like that? You said it. You could have changed your mind and me and whatever. But when I realized you said it, a matter of fact, you were even saying me could come and pick it up. And I said, next time me not going to stop, it's too far. You say you want it. I said, no, man. You insisted. I say I could send it. I said, no, man, you could send. It's not a rush. It's not a rush. It's okay. It's not a rush or whatever. You want me to send it now or whatever. I said, no, it's not a rush. If you want to do it, it's a problem, but it's not a rush. I said that to you. And I swear to God, I'm not lying. And you should have known, Mr. Girl, what did I say to you when you offered it to me? And I heard that you were associated with him, like you donate to him. I said, make sure the money is clean. I said, if you're involved,